in 2021. The wagon train has gotten off to a rough start. Okay. This is not this.
From the rainbow bridge of Asgard, where the booming heavens roar, you'll behold in breathless wonder the God of thunder, mighty Lord.
I hope we do not get back to the emergency room anytime soon. Looks like I'd be killing your friends too, punk. Why you bring them on the road, you dumbass? Okay. Not this far. Uh-oh. Golf club. Not golf club. Golf cart gang. Yes. The golf cart gang has invaded our territory. Let's move out! Hit him up, put it on rope. Hit him up, put it on rawhide. Hit him up, ride him in rawhide. Rawhide. Oh, that was a good jingle there. Butterfly. Oh, you can see the butterfly. It's a butterfly. Okay. Back to the wagon train. This is not how the early pioneers did this, I'm pretty sure. That's a crazy wagon there. It's a crazy one, like Ozzy warned of. Yeah.
Butt touch.
Oh, dear Lord. No, don't put it near your spokes. Don't put it near your spokes. Can't focus. There we go. All right. There we go. Move out. Part 2 of the wagon train adventure.
Is he signaling to turn now? Those young brave pioneers. Oh, geez. It is a good thing. I have an air-conditioned car. I don't have to do this stuff.
Well, I'm probably too old for a BMX bike with a wagon attached, as I am 48 years old. Let me zoom back out. I'm getting a little too close on that. There we go. That's a little further ahead. It's more accurate to real-life portrayals. Oh, Sin has taken to walking. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, the dismount. Dismount of disappointment. Your friends appear very weak, punk. You should be an easy kill for me. Adios. Well, at least we're in Georgia, because this might look awful strange if we were in certain other states, like New York. I bet you they don't do this in New York.
New York City. Get a rope.
I'm going to have to ask some people from New York. Do you ride bikes with wagons strapped to the back down dirt roads in the hot sun? What y'all do up there? It's a little butterfly. Maybe you can see them. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. All right. I could. Brown. No, brown. Orange. Orange butterfly. I don't want to say brown. I need to just shut up and enjoy this ride. Pay attention. Yeah. Take in this lush jungle scenery. It's just a documentary, that's all. To document this historic event of the modern wagon train. Oh, look, there's something orange on the side of the road. Cup? Couldn't tell. Yeehaw! Let's move out. Rolling. Keep those wagons rolling right. Don't try and understand them. Just hold up and brand them. Rawhide. What was the other song you used to make fun of? Bonaza, yeah. With your wagon in your feet, you pedal down the dirt street. Bonanza. with sunscreen and ride, she gave a mighty cry, Bonanza. There's shade on this road. It's not finding any toes. Bonanza. Bum 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 bum. Pedal some more, that is your chore, Bonanza. Get to the shed so you can clean out the dread. Bonanza. Bum 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 bonanza. Bum 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 bum. Wagons in tow, it's quite a show, Bonanza. Rocks in the way. Man, they'll pay, Bonanza.
Gar, gar, growl, bark, cluck. I'm out of here.
They should have cap guns shooting them off in the air. That would just make this scene.
Don't get scared!
So, yeah, then we could say, go back to some Rawhide. Rolling, rolling. More sweat in the eye, my oh my Bonanza. Good thing I had some napkins in the visor of my car. Bump, bumps, and it's got some eye juice problems, I guess. Bonanza. I don't know too many like Wagon Train songs. That's the issue here. Was there a thorn? Was there a theme to that Oregon Trail game? Maybe. I don't know. That'd be funny. It'd be kind of nice if Godzilla showed up across the road right there, like right over here somewhere, like right over there, like there. Godzilla should be right there, or at least Zilla. We can put Zilla in there. Zilla's not too bad. Let's see if I can find out. One little flower. It's kind of purple in real life. It's not quite as purple in film. But that is right there by itself. She's making a call using technology not available to the previous pioneers. So apparently the problem was phone call and then more sunscreen and sweat in Cynthia's eye. Which apparently blinds people. Temporarily, at least. Okay, what are they going to do? Stop me? Ha! You can't stop me.
Oh, but I can. Take a hike, Smokey. No, wait.
Which is mostly durable. Maybe some plastic. I don't know. I got stuff to defend myself with. We're good. I'll have to edit some stuff in. This scene's boring. Alright, we're going to take a pause here until they start doing something interesting. That was 10 times. Let's go back to 1.3. That seems like a good zoom level. Maybe a little closer since we're farther back. Bonanza. Crazy young kids are out of their heads. Bonanza. Bopping along on the dirt road now. What the hell is she doing? Bum 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 bum. Look at her bob at her head. Cynthia. Wiener tot. Bumbity 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 bum. Oh, in a rough part of the road. Yeah. See that steady cam work there. Yeah, very steady. Oh, she's going to lose the race. We're in the home stretch now. Pull up, see if she needs some water. Nah, not really. Nope, this is an endurance test. We just got to see if they can do it. Oh, look at that. Bailing at the last. Well, fair enough, fair enough. Cynthia woman, walking down the street. Cynthia woman, using her feet. Cynthia woman, I don't believe you, it's not the truth. No one would walk down a dirt road but you, with a wagon and tow. Cynthia woman with a basket on her bike. Cynthia woman. She decided to take a hike. Cynthia woman. She's gonna kill me when she sees this. She'll probably smash me with her fist. Mercy. Cynthia woman. Now we gotta get down the road. This is the part they're gonna hate. I'm gonna hang back here a minute and make sure they go that way properly before I go and pass them. That's a score for the home team there. Let's pull in here. Oh no, look, we're gonna get whatever.
A kick in her butt, Cynthia. That's what you deserve.
Just kidding. The trip home. Returning after raiding the tomb. The tomb of eternal stuff. Yes, yes. All is well upon the trail at night.
Mommy! Hilson, and good night, folks.